Hi guys, AMTRAK brings you comes a train in the snow.
Here comes a train in the snow.
It actually kind of looks like a coal train.
I know it does.
Hey, we're gonna have a remix of the coal.
It kind of does look like a coal train. I don't know.
What's leading?
This looks like CSX. Looks like CSX coal. Something.
6842.
6842.
What's that second?
It's snow.
It is a coal train. Two-engine coal train. Two-engine coal train. Two-engine coal train in the snow. This so cool. There might be a meet. How fast was that one going? How fast was that one going? What? There's the other one. We're gonna have a meet, guys. It's not gonna beat at Troy, but. Oh, wait, boss, let's one word. To BNSF, the coal is gone. Well, there's the end of the coal. Let's go. I'm like, never know, it might be 22K.
If it is, that
It's not.
It's not.
It is 206.
Looks like intermodal, I think. I mean, it is intermodal. I think it's 017.
Oh shoot! I should have used my selfies.
Yeah.
I would have pulled it out and.
It's really cold and it's starting to rain instead of snow.
Oh my!
Yeah, one engine intermodal. It's 017. 3469.
Include 78 too.
I think that is good. Pulled off enough. Wow. So why are they standing out
Oh, there's
there in the
DP is
freezing cold?
914.
Sorry, they're filming. Yelling in the background.
That other one, you can't really see it, but the signal's still white.
No DP.
No DPU, of course.
That's insane.
It's not legal, isn't it? Oh, yeah,
That 4 looks like 10 cents.
No, it's not.
it's 4.G.
8093 leading. 92, 88, 77, 18, and 9610. Did you really say 1069? It was 9610. Oh, I swear you said. I swear he said 1069.
That's Virginia.
I know. What's the
1066. Oh, sorry. I was on a little bit too far down. I already see it. Hi guys, AMTRAK brings you Q009. Troy didn't close the door.
Here it is, 2009.
I don't know what the first one was, but the second one was 804.
It's 33. 7.
33.87, I guess.
Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Close the door when you're gone. Alright, I'm gonna put an ace on you. And
It's pretty cold out there, so we're staying in here for this one.
I'm gonna go out right after this to look out for the eastbound.
There's Troy and his friend down there. Can just barely see him.
Alright.
We're in the diner car.
I don't want
I don't know what it is yet, but it looks like tanker. Actually, it might not be.
Actually,
I don't know.
It's hard to tell.
It's actually hard to tell.
Right.
Actually, it doesn't really look like tanker.
Yeah, okay. Manifest.
Yeah, it looks like manifest.
It's a military train.
Yeah, right.
It actually did look like
Really?
it for a second.
Yeah,
Really?
it's a manifest, right? Mixed breed. Looks like one engine, right?
Yeah.
One engine manifest.
But here, can you press the screen when it goes off? And can you press the screen? Thanks. 9:36. One engine manifest.
It's got to.
It has to be.
It's a tanker.
It's our second tanker of the day. I brought the BNSF, if it's it.
Doesn't look like it's it though.
Yeah,
It is? No, it's not.
It's not. It's not even a tanker.
Tanker.